You may delay, but time will not. Love your enemies, for they tell you your faults. There are three faithful friends: an old wife, an old dog, and wedding money. Beware of little expenses. A small leak will sink a great ship. Well done is better than well said. Many people are die at 25 and are not buried until they are 75. No gains without pains. Life biggest tragedy is that we get old too soon and wise too late. One today is worth than two tomorrows. Laziness travels so slowly that poverty soon overtakes him. Rather go to bed without dinner than to rise in debt. At 20 years of age, the will wanes. At 20, the wit, and at 40, the judgment. Never live till tomorrow that which you can do today. Lost time is never found again. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Where there is marriage without love, there will be love without marriage. Haste makes waste. To find out a girl's faults, praise her to her girlfriends. Keep your eyes wide open before marriage, half shut afterwards. We do not stop playing because we grow old. We grow old because we stop playing. Work as if you were to live 1,000 years. Play as if you were to die tomorrow. Contentment makes poor man rich. Discontent makes rich man poor. Fatigue is the best pillow. The discontented man finds no easy chair. You will find the key to success under the alarm clock. Either write something worth reading or do something worth writing. They who can give up special liberty to obtain a little temporary safety because neither liberty nor safety. He that can have patience can have what he will. A penny saved is a penny earned. Fear not death, for the sooner we die, the longer we shall be immortal. It is the first responsibility of every citizen to question the authority. Instead of cursing the darkness, light a candle. Be at war with your vices, at peace with your neighbors, and let every new year find you a better man. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. The heart of a fool is in his mouth, but the mouth of a wise is in his heart. There was never a bad peace or a good war. Be slow in choosing a friend, slower in changing. When you are finished changing, you are finished. A slip of the foot you may soon recover, but a slip of the tongue you may never get over. Happiness depends more on the inward disposition of mind than on outward circumstances. Do not trust your money to a person who likes to count other people's money. Be civil to all, sociable to many, familiar with few, friend to one, enemy to none. Speak ill of no man, but speak all the good you know of everybody. If you want to be rich, learn not only to earn, but also to be economical. A house is not a home unless it contains food and fire for the mind as well as the body. Security without liberty is called prison.